Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I have a makeup haul for you guys. I went to the Lagos makeup fair and I got a whole lot of products. I had a list of the products I wanted, brands I wanted to visit. I laid everything out and I got everything I want plus a little bit more. So I'm excited to show you what I got. Before we begin this video, please do me a huge favor and blend the subscribe button. Yeah, blend the subscribe button. I will continue doing these puns until you subscribe to my channel. So you just gotta subscribe. That's all you need to do. Also, do not forget to brush the notification bell. Yes, so you will always get notifications of whenever I upload a new video. I got a whole bag right here. Who should we open? What should I show you guys first? Start with this. I got a black liquid eyeliner from Sleek Pro. Do you remember when Sleek was really into skincare? They even sent me their entire skincare range and I tested it out and I did a review on my old blog. Now Sleek is back to doing makeup and I got this really cute eyeliner from them. It is the Sleek Pro Intense Eyeliner in the shade black. This is what the tip looks like. Let me just draw a little line on my arm. Oh, I like it. It has a really fat tip, so it looks like it will be good for chunky liners. It looks very shiny right now, but they told me that it dries down matte. I'm gonna wait for it to dry down and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Let's go over to Yanga Beauty. Yanga Beauty is one of my favorite Nigerian beauty brands. I have used a couple of their products. I'm currently using their Blur Effect powder. I have also used their brow lotion, which is what I actually got. I got the brow lotion, which is the Yanga Beauty eyebrow pencil. This is what the pencil looks like. I really like the purple color on it. On one side you have the brush and on the other side you have the pencil right there. I have used this product several times and I'm really happy with the product. So this was just a repurchase for me. I just need to really buy it. Now another brow thing I got from Yanga Beauty is, I think this is called the brow tint, the Browlific Booster Base. Yes, this is a booster base. It comes in a couple of different shades and I got the darkest shade. I really wanted a product that I could use on the days I don't want to do a full brow. Sometimes you have those days where you want to do a little makeup but not too much makeup. So I feel like this would be the perfect product to just give me that like nice kind of filled in, kind of sleeked down brow. This is what the packaging looks like. I'm just going to, it's not straight, it's a little curve, which is interesting. I can't use it on my brows right now because my brows are good, but I imagine that this has some sort of hold, beeswax in it. It has carnauba wax, so this is definitely going to give your brows some hold and hold it into place, which makes me really happy. So yay with this. Meanwhile, the eyeliner has dried down and it is matte. So yes, this is gonna make me really happy. It is matte. Also, nothing is coming off. Very happy with this. Very happy with this result. I can't wait to start using it in my look. Next, we're gonna talk about Maybelline. When I went to the Maybelline stand and I saw this, I was super happy. You see, this is my favorite setting powder. I'm not really sure what is going on with Maybelline here in Nigeria. Maybelline has been out of stock on this powder for a really long time. So when I got to the stand and I saw this powder, I kind of screamed. I'm pretty sure the sales girl's like, what the wrong with this girl? I don't think I need to tell you much about this powder. It is one of my favorite setting powders. Makes my skin look really nice and pretty. I adore this powder. And here I am trying out, so this isn't new, but this is new to me. This is the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Under Eye Concealer. I know of the Superstay foundation, but I did not know that there was a Superstay concealer. The Maybelline Superstay foundation, if I remember, is known for being really matte. I have never used the foundation, but from what I've heard, it's really great if you have like oily skin, if you're really looking for a long lasting look. I think the Superstay foundation would be for you. If you want me to try out the Superstay foundation, let me know and I can do a foundation wear test and review. But what I have here is the concealer. This is in the shade 45 and this is what it looks like. The tip is pretty bendy. I think it will make for good application like under the eyes. If you want me to do that Superstay foundation wear test and review, let me know. Now I know this isn't makeup, but I needed to restock on my on a body scrub, specifically the body scrub that finished when I did my go to bed with me video. This is the Brighten Yoni Intimate Body Scrub. So I always thought that this was like an all over body scrub, but when I went to the stand, because TM Essentials actually has makeup and they have skincare. I was talking to them about this, and when I asked for a body scrub, they brought me another one. I was like, oh, that's not the one I know. They're like, oh, this one is for your inner thighs, for your underarms, for your knuckles. And I was like, oh, I've been using this all over my body. And they're like, yeah, you could do that. So yeah, this is the TM Essentials Brighten Yoni Intimate Body Scrub. Brighten the areas that rub against each other and are dark. But I use this all over my body because I really like it. It's a great body scrub. One thing I really like is that they gave me a free sample and they gave me a hand moisturizer. Words, man, words just flew out of my head for a second. Now let's talk about Nuban Beauty. I got 2 face products from Nuban Beauty. I got the mattifying makeup base. I wanted a new primer and I decided to get a primer from Nuban Beauty. And I also got the sealing makeup fixing spray, aka a makeup setting spray. I haven't had a makeup setting spray in forever. Even though I'm not wearing as much makeup as I used to do in the past, I have missed having a makeup setting spray to help like keep everything in place. This is the packaging of the setting spray. It has a frosted bottle and this is what the top looks like. I wonder how it sprays. Okay, yeah, it sprays nicely. So this is the packaging of the mattifying makeup base and I actually really like it. I love the colorful packaging. This is the mattifying makeup base, aka a foundation primer, and this is what we're working with. They allowed me to feel it on my hand before I purchased and I really like the feeling. It has that traditional silicone feel, that silicone primer feel. Last but not the least, we have a little baggie right here filled with products I got from Zaron. So I love the Zaron lip glosses and I went to go and restock on my favorite one. This one is in the shade Pink Pearl, and I also got 2 lip liners. This one is in the shade Cappuccino. I wanted a brown lip liner for my lips, and this is a red lip liner in the shade Red Vines. I've used Red Vines so many times. I think I have like 3 or 4 like little mini tiny ones because I've like used it all the way to the bottom. Their lip liners are really good. Let me just do a swatch for you guys here. I love the lip liners. They're really nice and creamy. They go on the lips really nicely. So this is Red Vines, this is Cappuccino. Cappuccino is gonna go with really nice maybe pinks, nude. Red Vines is gonna go with a red lip gloss. And just give you guys a quick swatch of the lip gloss as well. This is what the lip gloss looks like on the back of my arm. It'll obviously look a little bit different on the lips and it'll definitely look different with like a lip liner underneath. I'm definitely going to be combining Cappuccino with this lip gloss and it's going to give me like a really nice nude pinky glittery lip. Another thing I really like about these lip glosses is that they're shiny without being too thick. So I am currently wearing one of the lip glosses in the shade, I can't remember, but it's a brown lip gloss and it sits so nicely on the lips. It's not too thick. That's one thing I really didn't like about lip glosses, when they're so thick that they kind of like weighed your lip down. But I really love the shine. I really love the finish of the lip gloss. And then we have a sponge. I haven't had a sponge in forever, but something in my spirit said that Deola, go and get a sponge. So this is the Zaron sponge. They said it gets bigger when you put it inside water. It has Zaron kind of embossed or embedded, I don't know the exact word, and then it has this little divot, this little flat side right here, which I think will really go well underneath the eyes, that kind of thing. So I'm excited to try this. I mean, it's just a regular sponge. It's really nice and soft. And then last but not the least, and the most exciting to me, the Zaron Cheeky Liquid Blush. One thing that really interested me is that Nigerian beauty brands are coming out with liquid blushes. Our weather is so hot that sometimes people don't like using liquid products because if you can't set them down really well, it's gonna look really shiny. General assumption is that everybody's skin here is kind of oily, everybody's skin here is kind of thick. So when I see Nigerian brands bringing out liquid blush, I'm just like, huh, that's interesting. Because in my head, liquid blush is more associated with like a fresh, natural, dewy kind of look. And we Nigerians, we love our matte looks. We love a matte foundation. We love a foundation that's gonna stay on our skin and look like we have no water, no pores, no oil, nothing. I think it kind of signals the change of what we're going to be seeing from makeup artists in Nigeria. I think we're going to be seeing way more creative looks. I think we've already started seeing like creators and makeup artists do like really interesting and different out there looks. And the fact that we have liquid blushes to me just means that brands are responding to this need and desire for a different type of look. So I got the liquid blush in the shade Negroni.
What's your drink of choice? A Negroni.
I asked for a pinky red because I've seen that that's the kind of shade of blush that works for me. So I know I'm going to use this blush forever because for these kind of things, a little bit goes a long way. So I'm just going to take a little of it and pat it on the side of my hand. I now wonder, does it dry matte? Does it dry like a cream? what does it do? This is what the blush looks like patted into my skin. I want to see how it looks in like a couple of minutes. Let me see what it looks like when it dries down. I'm really interested to know, like, does it dry down matte? Does it dry down like glossy? Does it dry down dewy? But from what I see already, it gives like a really nice skin like finish, but the shade is really pretty and pigmented. Let me see how it dries down in a couple of minutes and I'll be right back. All right, the blush has dried down and the pigment went down, but it dries down matte, which is great. So we have a liquid blush that dries down matte and is pigmented. I'm really excited to see how this blush performs with the rest of my products. And that is everything that I got from the Lagos Makeup Fair. Congratulations to the Lagos Makeup Fair. Actually, the Lagos Makeup Fair was the 100th fair of the series. They have fairs all over Nigeria. They go to Abuja, they go to Onitsha, they go to Benue, they go everywhere in Nigeria. And the Lagos edition, this Lagos edition that just happened, was the 100th one. Congratulations to them and the team behind this initiative. Thank you guys so much for being here and for watching this video. I truly and really appreciate it. Please don't forget to brush on the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to blend your notification bell so that you always get notifications whenever I upload a new video. Also, do not forget to pat in the like button so that you will like this video and let me know and let the YouTube algorithm know that you like this video. And also, do not forget to be awesome. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!